Hello, welcome friends. Today's a driving tour through the village of Country Club Hills here in the Villages, Florida. I wanted to show you what this looks like. Hang on, friends. Here we are driving into the village of Country Club Hills. And you can see this is a community of manufactured homes. This community is located east of US 441, and it's located very near Spanish Springs Town Square, which is on the other side of US 441. I know some of my subscribers wanted to see the historic side. This is known as the historic side of the Villages. Anything really located on the east side of US 441 is considered to be the historic side. And these communities over here are where the Villages started. The Villages started as a community of manufactured homes, and they rapidly expanded to the west side of US 441, where they started building sticks and bricks types of homes. And you can see this community also has some sticks and bricks types of homes in it as well. And that's because the Villages, as these manufactured homes deteriorate and the homeowners replace them, the Villages wants them to be replaced with a sticks and bricks type of home. I wanted to show you the area to give you a better idea of what this community has to offer. And I want to take you and show you this recreation center off to my left. Right here, friends. Come and enjoy your day. Here I am driving through the parking lot. Over there you can see the Villages Hospital right over there. That is a golf course right there, friends. That's Spanish Springs across the way. Look at how beautiful this is. And we are driving up to the Orange Blossom Hills Golf and Country Club right there. I wanted to show you a little bit more of what this country club looks like. Stay tuned, friends. Here I'm walking up to the backside of the Orange Blossom Hills Golf and Country Club. I will walk to the other side a little bit later. And I wanted to show you that they do have a beautiful pool and spa area here. You can see how gorgeous this is. There's your swimming pool. They have an awesome water feature here as well. Right there, look at the awesome water feature on this country club. They have a grotto right there. How nice is that? Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. Look at that waterfall right there, friends. How gorgeous is this? Orange Blossom Hills Golf and Country Club. Thank you for liking and thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. I'll show you a little bit more from the other side. Here I am walking through the parking lot of the Orange Blossom Hills Golf and Country Club. That is your swimming pool and waterfall area up there. There is your golf course over there. What I noticed about this side of the Villages is that there's a lot of hills, lots of undulation. There's the beautiful Villages water tower. Let you know that you're in the Villages. Look at this. It's a beautiful day in the Villages. People are out golfing. That is your Villages Hospital right over there. Maybe I can zoom in and show you what that looks like. Villages Hospital right there. That is going to be a new recreation center down there. On the other side of that retention pond, they are going to renovate that recreation center. Look at this cool golf cart. That is an awesome looking golf cart. Look at that. Let's take a walk and I'll show you the front side of the country club. Let you know what that looks like. That beautiful red brick driveway is awesome. There is your swimming pool and waterfall and grotto area. Right here you have a dining room and golf shop right there. And here you have it. The Orange Blossom Hills Golf and Country Club right there. How nice is this? They have a driving net over there. That is your Golf and Country Club. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever been here, if you've ever eaten here. That would be awesome. Wonder what the quality of food is like. Feel free to share this video with your friends who are interested in the Villages, Florida. I do appreciate it. Take care, everyone. Have a great day.